back to another video, and today I am going to be playing Cats Are Liquid ABP with my cousin, which you should also subscribe to, is Suda6737.
I will change my name soon.
Yeah, he has this name for a long time. Like, I've had Ikitagwan for a long time. I want to keep my name Ikitagwan, and if you guys, I want to make a new channel just for like different stuff, reaction videos and stuff like that.
Reactions, the
bloopers, yeah,
that
stuff like that. But like, I don't know what to name that channel. So guys, you know,
Ikitagwan 2.0.
only a bad name because you subscribe to. She was starting to feel tired. So yeah, type in.
I might get the game after.
Yeah, type in hashtag suggestion. Your new channel name should be. I think you should get the new channel, and its name should be. And
I'll tell you how to turn the
comments.
Do you know how to turn them on?
Yeah, I know how to turn them on.
Before all your videos are off.
Yeah, I know. I turned it off because no, it's not because of hate. It's just that once someone sent in inappropriate. So yeah, guys.
You can delete that message though.
Yeah, I have. So okay, let's carry on. So yeah, my cousin Suda6737 is going to commentate me while I do this fast gameplay.
Okay, so right now, oh my god, what the heck is that?
It's guns.
That is a ball falling.
Wow!
Sliding.
Oh my god!
This
Look
is
at my shield. This is very hot. Okay, next room. This is room 6.
Looks like a portal.
Wait, what is this thing? Wow! It's shooting this random thing at me.
There's a cannon shooting. We need help in his life right now. Help.
So, guys, anyway, if you guys want to make videos too, I've heard that my friends that subscribed, they want to know how to make a channel. So if you want to know how to make a channel, I'll upload it on that channel.
Give up, even if your channel is small.
Yeah, never give up. Cause like I thought I was going to get like. First of all, I thought I was going to get like a million subscribers. I used to watch Dan time. Then I thought I was going to only get like 5 subscribers and a bit like that. And now, thank you. You guys have gave me 30, 34, 32 subscribers. Like 30. That's more than halfway. Yeah, I wanted to my goal by the end of May. Like 30 subscribers. I wanted 50, and then literally.
You're nearly to 50 then.
Yeah, and a week after I said I wanted to go to 50, you guys nearly doubled my thing. 10 subscribers in 3 days. Oh, hold on, guys. I gotta pause. See you next time. Well, in a bit.
If you play.
Guys, so this you can tell that our friend made this because, like, well, not like real friend, just like in the game. You can tell they made it because, like, it's so wibbly.
Guys, I might make a video.
So subscribe to 6737. He might change his name. And do you want to make a new?
Rip in the chat for.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, I'm pretty sure these videos are your favorite types of videos, and I can see why. It's me suffering. That's why. That's what I bet you like to see me doing. Sorry. I don't know what that was, but
Crazy man alert.
yeah. Wah, wah. Sorry, guys. This game just makes me stressed.
I can see you suffering.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, tell me, guys, new channel or what you want to see in my channel. So, like, hashtag suggestion. I would like to see more animation on your main channel, or like hashtag suggestion. I would like to see
I would like you eating a chicken nugget.
I'm gonna try chicken nuggets in so long. I actually forgot how they taste.
You can.
I thought you could jump on one of those, but no. The game just decides to
Bully.
yeah, no, torture me. Maybe her friends weren't right about this. How am I supposed to? Wait, what? I'm liquid and I can fit in this thin spaces.
Whoa. What? I want to be liquid now, so that I can fit into a wall. I can see you're getting tortured by people. You need help.
This game, man! This game! Is it normal? Because, like, last time I had like 10 minutes. It was 45 minutes. It wasn't on this game, but it was a different game. It was called Sky, Children of the Light. And,
Well, you made a video.
yeah, but it was 45 minutes.
Did you upload it? No. Oh, that's too long.
Yeah. So guys, I really recommend you guys playing not only this game, but this sick game called Sky, Children of the Light.
Yeah, it's really good. It has realistic graphics. It depends what you're actually using.
Yeah, like for me, I've got potato graphics because you know I'm on a tablet. Wait, what? It aims for you.
And then I got lemon graphics. Right, good. Oh.
Why does it aim for you? Ugh. Whoa, whoa, okay.
Whoa.
Checkpoint and jump. Why? I didn't know that. Okay, I'm safe on the head.
You just
No! I thought I was safe. So yeah, guys, after this level, I'm going to end the video because like I want to keep my video short because like I don't really.
maximum of 20, I guess.
Yeah.
So.
This could already be 10 minutes long. This video. This could already be 10 minutes long.
You never know.
Yep. Z. So yeah, so UMYZ, me. Like driving games. They make Roblox videos, and they make about this driving game. And also subscribe to. Please subscribe to Suda. Oh, she didn't feel. I want to get hacked on this game, but I don't know how to.
I know, but I don't want to break the game. The aliens, if you hack, yeah, it just like ruins the game and it just feels boring. Why is he playing it?
Yeah. Like, there's no point grinding.
Yeah, I've done that, but like it just felt boring.
Yeah, like once I got hacked. Okay, so guys,
I can end the video.
so yeah, guys. So subscribe to me, Amis0677, and like all of their videos and hit the notification bell on their videos. So if you have any suggestions, type in #suggestion.
Something. Yeah.
Yeah. Any suggestion, like let's say I want you to make a new channel called
Chicken nugget lover.
yeah, like whatever you want.
That's the first video.
Cool. And then if you give me a few, so if you give me lots of things for like the same things, so let's say I want your channel name to be this, I'll make a video all on voting. My cousin Cedar677, yeah, he is going to be the voter.
Well, I'll put it on a spin board on Google.
Oh yeah. He's going to put.
Well, do you have an app?
No, I deleted it.
Oh, shit,
So yeah,
okay.
guys. So like, hit the notification bell and subscribe because it's all. Guess what? Free. Okay, guys. Bye.
By the way-
Hope you have a good day and hope this brightened up your day.